Yeah, welcome guys. Today's video is dedicated to XSplit. I'm gonna show y'all a great software program to do your game lives, your video editing, and everything that you want to broadcast with games on Twitch, on YouTube, on Facebook Live. This is the program for you. Um, I'm gonna do a couple things here. That way you can see how it works. I am gonna have the link in the description below. Click on the link and it's gonna take you to the program. And what I'm doing here, this is all the free version, but um, they do have a lot of features. But what I'm gonna show you really quick. So what I did here, I have all these things here, and I'm gonna show you a little bit about them. But okay. I'm gonna go to my web browser, and I'm gonna tell you the XSplit. It's right here. You can go to Google and you can see it. It says it's a live streaming and video mixing application development and maintained by Split Media Labs. It is mostly used for capturing gameplay for live streaming or video recording purposes. I remember when I got this one, the OBS. When I got the Camlink 4K, that's another one that's good that I recommend. It's around $100. You just plug it in the USB, and you're gonna need a micro HDMI to HDMI, so you can send the signal to your vlog camera. Um, when I got it, I didn't know what to use. I downloaded OBS and I was doing all these things, and I always had uh, audio problems, and I had to tweak with it. I had to mess with it. I had to do all kinds of things, and it just sucked for me. But how you see, whenever I open up the browser, you can see I have my picture, which is my image, and then on the left you have where it's just the browser. And if you want, you can have another, like the picture on the background. I also put the picture on the background. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. Again, it's called XSplit. Now this right here, I went to there goes the let me see. Okay, that's the window. So as you see right here, it says window XSplit Google search in the Chrome. So you can hide it, or you can put it back. Basically, whenever you hide it, it kind of like disables the um, the function. So the same thing here. If I go here, you see how it disappears. Um, Same thing here, and you can do it. You can do it with all of them. Those are like with pictures that you have. You see how it came off right here. Okay, and then the window. There's another one there. Cam link. I took off the cam link. So for this one, it's gonna be that. So the only reason I added this one, the window split, that one is that way you can see the buttons right now when I'm recording. But I don't want you to see them no more, so I'm gonna take it off. Oops, wrong one. Was it this one? Yeah, I'm gonna take it off, and then I can just click here and it's gonna make it invisible. That way I don't have to, But if you want, you can go here and then just press remove, and it's gonna take it all away. But it's better like that, That way, if you wanna add it right back really fast. And this is the background or the desktop. So right there, what I did, it took off the function of the camera too. So I'm gonna turn it back on. All right, there you go. Once it turns on, it's gonna connect. And you can also move this anywhere. You see my bed? Like, if I don't want my bed, I can just move it to the side. Oops, my battery's dying. Well, that's good. I'll finish it without the camera. So the same thing. If I click on the eye, it takes off the camera view. So that way, you know, you can just have this in the background and you can pick anything you want. For example, I can go to where did I have it? Desktop, cam link. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so if I go to remove, you see how it removes the background? Now if I can go to add sources and it has all your things right here. You can add text, a web page. Oh, that's pretty cool. I haven't tried that one. The media files. So I'm gonna go to media files. It's gonna go to your pictures. So I'm gonna click a different one. I'm gonna do this one for example. And then you just enlarge it to cover the whole window. Or if not, you can minimize it, and on the background you can put something else. And then here you can put other pictures too, or you can put your face cam right here. And it has different scenes where you're at one scene now and then you switch to another one. I already have this one set up. You see how it is? Right here I had my face, but the camera died, but your face would be right here. So like I said, it's pretty good. You don't have to do any tweaking or nothing like other programs, OBS, stuff like that. It has your game capture here. It's gonna auto detect whatever, if you have a Switch or PS4, whatever. You can add text. It's gonna take you to this, and then you can write here. Just a quick example. You could change it where you want it. Bold, italic, word wrap, fixed. So you can apply it, take it off, anything. And then you have more scenes here. You can add more and fix it how you want. But the link is in the description. This video is brought to you by Xsplit. I'll be a new affiliated, so just click on the link, and this is a good program. You can also record videos before, check them out how you did them, then upload them. Also have a Webull link and a Coinbase link if you want to trade crypto or stocks. Check it out. Thank you. Make sure you like the video.